Make sure to watch all the way through the end. There is a giveaway and there will be a test. What is up, you guys? So today we have unboxings, we have a giveaway. Let's get started. So today I wanted to announce Ana Luisa's biggest sale of the year. Ana Luisa reached out and I was thrilled to hear from them, you guys. I really wasn't expecting it. I was able to get my Shizo ring back, and I got it in a pinky size this time, and I have been wearing it non-stop. I'm obsessed with it. You guys know that my love for the Shizo ring is real, and so I'm thrilled to have it, and I'm thrilled to have it on my pinky. It's so super cute. Something that I realize now, based on the reviews of the Shizo ring, is that you do need to size down. So I should have selected a size 7 based on the reviews. There weren't any reviews when I picked it up, but yeah, it's pretty clear that the chain rings from Ana Luisa, you should size down. So I cannot believe that I have it. They graciously sent me this Miche necklace, which I'm genuinely obsessed with. I am going to insert some close-ups of this necklace. I have been wearing it non-stop, you guys. This necklace I selected because it reminded me very much of a necklace that my mother used to wear, and I feel that I realize now that that necklace that my mother wore really informed me about jewelry and signature pieces. I think that's why I've always been chasing signature pieces. My mom wore that necklace every single day, and she actually did have a matching ring, and so the chase for signature pieces ensued at that moment. I think from seeing it day in and day out, there's like memory attached to jewelry, and I think that's the aspect of jewelry that I really appreciate. And I was thrilled to see this on the Ana Luisa website. This is an Aventurine Stone. It has a very similar look to a chalcedony and to jade even, but it is just absolutely beautiful. This is in collaboration with another YouTuber who I wasn't very familiar with, but she genuinely knocked this design out of the park. It is so beautiful. It comes with a beautiful necklace that you can also wear alone, but I'm very much in love with this piece. I did go ahead and select the matching earrings, which I don't typically do, but I loved this necklace so much that I thought that they would actually be very complementary together. And they are. I absolutely love it. And then separately, they did send me these hoops, which I believe are the biggest hoops that they carry. And they look so good with this necklace also. So I have a variation of looks that I can do with the pieces that I was sent. I am going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm very excited about this as well. Ana Luisa is having their biggest sale of the year, and I will go ahead and link them down below. In order for you to enter, go ahead and click on the link, look through their inventory, and select a piece that you would absolutely love from Ana Luisa, and then go to the comments section and type "enter me," give me your Instagram name and the name of the piece that you would love from Ana Luisa. Now that doesn't mean that that's the one you're gonna get. You might get that one. So that is all you have to do in order to enter, you guys. I'm really excited to do this giveaway. I believe I will be doing the announcement of the winner. I will confirm the date over here where I will be announcing the winner. I'm thrilled to be doing this giveaway, you guys. I will announce what the piece is when I announce the winner. But again, if you let me know which piece from Ana Luisa you would love, you may get lucky and that's the one that you might get. So definitely do enter me, your Instagram name, and the piece from Ana Luisa that you would love. And just something that I wanted to add about Ana Luisa, which I actually did not know, is they have a 365-day warranty on their piece, you guys. I was blown away by that. It's not even something that they told me themselves. I was just reading through the description of the pieces, and they all have a 365-day warranty. And I literally could not believe that. In addition to that, we have heard that they are environmentally friendly. I have confirmed that. I will show you guys over here. They have been carbon neutral since September 2020. And there were no other companies, some of my favorite companies, none of them were there, you guys. But Ana Luisa is on that list, and I feel that they should be applauded for that. So definitely check out Ana Luisa, you guys. There is a promo code that I will also include I will note it over here and put all of the information will be in the description box as well. I'm really excited to hear which pieces from Ana Luisa you guys absolutely love. So let me know in the comment section down below. Moving on to the unboxing, you guys, this is an item that I picked up, and it is from my wish list. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what this piece is. This is a piece that I recently discussed, the Cartier Trinity bracelet. I did purchase this from Fashionphile, you guys, because I didn't want to pay the new price for this. And I'm going to be really honest with you guys. Just something that I've been wanting to mention. I was wondering if anyone watched the Netflix Dirty Money series where they talk about gold. Go watch that and you'll understand why I bought this from Fashionphile and why I'm really trying any pieces that I do get from Cartier now. I'm going to try to purchase from the resale market. But this is the piece. It was in great condition. I believe this was excellent condition, and I confirm it was in excellent condition. I talked about why I wanted this piece, and it's because of this sweet Alhambra that I have over here. It kind of drives me crazy because it's always like mangled in between. This I do find very difficult to put on, not gonna lie, but I also want to go into Cartier to switch this out into a red one because I feel that the black one looks a little bit too much like a hair tie. So I want to do a red one in that like Cartier red. I think that'll look really, really beautiful. Does anybody know if you still need an appointment to go into Cartier? I need to go into Cartier ASAP because I do want to switch this out. So I have gone and put it on. This is what I was trying to accomplish. All I did was tuck the chain underneath this bracelet, and it kind of keeps my stack in order. I really love how that looks. Again, I would love it if it was in the red, which I will do. But for now, I really love having the Trinity. I also picked it up because, again, I have 3 kids. I really love how individual each of the rings are, kind of like my kids. So you have a rose gold, a white gold, and a yellow gold. And I just think it's so beautiful. So I did purchase this under retail, you guys. I want to say it was listed at $5.95 or something like that. But with the entire Chanel bum bag debacle that happened, Fashionphile had given me $100 credit towards whatever purchase I wanted. After I made a big deal out of it, they did send me a $100 gift card. So I had the $100 from there, and this was listed at $5.95. I believe that the retail price was $5.50 before the price increase, and so I did get this at a really decent discount. That because if the discount isn't big enough, then you might as well just go to Cartier directly. But I believe that this is at $6.50 now. I will note the actual price somewhere over here. So I did think that it was a pretty fair deal from Fashionphile. And it did come with the boxes that you saw. Those actually did come with it. It did also come with the authenticity card and stuff. So I am thrilled that I got it at a discount. I'm thrilled that I didn't buy it from Cartier directly. So it did come with the box as well, but this box doesn't close. I'm pretty sure that they used to give these boxes for the Trinity. They no longer do that. So I actually feel like I got a better deal not going through Cartier because I still got a box. I'm really thrilled with this purchase, you guys. I really like that it adds a casual vibe to my stack. I really love it. I actually went to Tiffany, and you know, the Tiffany sales associate really loved my stack. I tried on a Tiffany piece as well. It was gorgeous. I will go ahead and insert a photo over here. Stunning piece from Tiffany. And she actually took a picture of my stack because she really liked it. So I love the casual vibe that this adds to the stack. I'm very interested to see what it looks like when I do switch it out. This also reminds me a little bit of the 80s vibe, like those rubber band bracelets. I don't know if you guys remember them. Madonna used to wear them and stuff. So I love that. This is something that I actually love. I kind of went a little backwards on my Cartier purchases. Usually this is something that people buy first, but it is one of my last pieces from Cartier for myself with regards to like bracelets, I think. So that is it for today's video. Do not forget to check out Ana Luisa via the link in the description box and go ahead and enter the piece that you are interested in winning, you guys. And do not forget that Ana Luisa is doing a 20% off currently. So definitely check them out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.